Welcome to the Scoot2Work homepage. This is where you can view your scheduled bookings by day, by week, and by month. Each day, all bookings scheduled will appear right here on the homepage. You can swipe left or swipe right on the calendar to view last week's or next week's bookings. Lastly, you can tap on the month and 2025 in the top left to view the entire month's bookings. The Ready to Work button is this gray question mark on the middle of the bottom menu. You can tap the button and select I'm available to let our consultant team know that you are awake and ready to fill a last-minute sub request from schools. The Ready to Work button needs to be checked every morning around 5 to 6 a.m. Because schools often request subs early in the morning, educators who've selected Ready to Work are prioritized for these work opportunities. It is essential for educators to set the Ready to Work button in order to get work for the day. The Ready to Work button resets overnight, so be sure to recheck it the next morning. Your screen will show a green checkmark button that confirms you are up and ready to work. Your screen will show a red cross button if you indicate that you are unavailable. Welcome to the Availability tab. Here, there are two sections where you can set your schedule in advance. Ongoing availability lets you indicate which days of the week you are available to work. Unchecking a day means you can't work at all that day. As you can see here, I have Monday unchecked and I have Sunday and Saturday unchecked because it is the weekend. Upcoming availability lets you set your availability on a day-to-day basis. This calendar view is updated based on the days you marked available in ongoing availability. When you select a day, you are able to select one of three options: available, unavailable, or set by hours, which is at the bottom of the screen. The set by hours option lets you indicate specific hours in the morning, afternoon, or evening that you can work. Let's just say I'm unavailable in the evening, so I will uncheck those times and hit Save Changes. Now my schedule is set for Tuesday, March 4th. You can select multiple days. So here I've selected the 5th, the 6th, and the 7th. Any changes to your availability will reflect on all the chosen dates. So I'm going to hit Set by Hours, and I'm going to say I'm unavailable in the evening time again. Save Changes, and all of the days March 5, 6, and 7 will reflect those changes. All educators are expected to update this accurately and frequently, and set it out as far out in advance as you can. Tentatives are booking requests with a pending acceptance by the educator. To view your tentatives in the app, you can go to the top right-hand corner of the screen and hit the bell icon. There will be 4 tabs open, and the second one will say Tentative. This tab will show all the tentatives that you have coming up. Educators are responsible for submitting their timesheet daily when they work. To complete your timesheet, you can go to your home page, select the day at the top of the screen in which you've worked. After your shift, you will get this button that says Confirm Shift Details. Select it, and here you can input your start time, your end time, and your meal break time. Afterwards, you can hit Submit, and now your timesheet for today is ready. Be sure to do this after every shift. On the Scoot2Work app, educators are able to access different learning resources, forms, as well as our officially frequently asked questions page. To get to these forms, navigate to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and click on the three dots. Here, we can select Forms, and here are all of the items that educators have access to.